Hello, and welcome to the workshop. My name is Erin Blavelt, and I will be your facilitator for this special section of Applying Universal Design for Learning Principles to Online Courses to increase accessibility and engagement for Portland Community College. This workshop will last 7 days. You will have early access to the online classroom as of Thursday, January 13th. However, our official start date for the workshop is Monday, January 17th. You should utilize your time prior to our first official day to become familiar with the navigation of the classroom. Click around and begin reading through the workshop syllabus on the workshop homepage, which includes some tips on how to be successful in this workshop. Also, use this time to review the workshop schedule to plan ahead to spend time in the workshop each day, and to note the assignment due dates. This week of learning will go by fast. In these days before the official start, you are welcome to post early in the Introductions discussion forum. I've posted my introduction to get started, and I will check back in on Monday to learn more about each of you. You are also welcome to and encouraged to get a jump start on the information in the Workshop Content and Activities tab. You can explore each day to familiarize yourself with the types of assignments you will be completing this week. On the Welcome tab for the workshop, you will find a help forum for posting questions about content or need for assistance. You can also use the water cooler forum to engage in conversation with your peers. I will be posting daily announcements in the announcements area, which you are automatically subscribed to. You will receive copies of each announcement post in your email. I will be checking into our workshop space on a daily basis by monitoring the help forum, posting daily announcements to the announcements forum, and interacting with all of you within the discussion forum starting on Monday. I will post an official welcome announcement that day. If you have any questions during our time together, please post them in the help forum under the Welcome tab. If your question is more personal in nature, please feel free to email me at eblaUvel@clarkson.edu. Lastly, but certainly not least, if you happen to come across any content or materials that are inaccessible to you for any reason, please reach out to me directly and I will find an appropriate alternative. I'm looking forward to meeting and working with each and every one of you. Welcome to the workshop.